Hey guys, Baby Ariano here, and today I'm going to be doing a voice reveal, and also for this special thing I'm going to be showing you something that you could do in Robloxian High School, which is a cool glitch which makes you go super fast. So fast that you... Oh, I know why this is like that, because these are the items I wore that has already been released. I'm wearing that's already been released to Robloxian High School, but the rest is not. So, yeah. So this is... So what you want to do is go to bundles and bodies and then search up coin. And then it should pop up with this one. So this is the one you want. This is the one you would want to get. So then you gotta go to scaling, click advanced, make your head scale all the way up, your width all the way up, and then your height all the way down. Then you want to... Oh, it already did that for me. So then what you want to do is just... It did this for me, but like, what you have to do is jump, and then this will happen. You'll be going so fast. Look, you can't even I can't even control where I'm going. I'm trying to go up there. So yeah, this has been it. This has been the video. Hope you guys liked it. It used to make you be going fast backwards, but now you don't go backwards. Okay, so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I actually learned this glitch from Albert Stuff. If you guys watch Flamingo, I bet you did too. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and now I don't have to type in what I'm trying to say when I'm making a Roblox video. Now I could just say it in the mic, which is cool. So I really like that though. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to show you how to stop this. You gotta click actions and start doing like this, one of these animations, and then you stop. Or you could like dance or something. And look, then you stop going fast and you can control yourself. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Actually, I don't care if you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna be begging for likes or forcing you to subscribe or anything like that, because I kind of found that cringy. And yeah, that was the video, just introducing you to my voice. Also, it's Screencast-O-Matic that I use, so I'll be editing videos because there's an edit button when I'm viewing my videos. So, bye.